All right, welcome back everyone. My name is Pratesh here with Kaizen Crypto, bringing you guys another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Cardano on the Rocks stake pool kit. I was very excited to receive mine in the mail yesterday, and I figured I wanted to put together a video for you guys. So today's going to be a bit of an unboxing video. So if you guys do enjoy today's content, please be sure to drop a like for me. I post cryptocurrency news, content related to Cardano, Bitcoin, altcoins, all of that here on this channel. So if you guys are new to the channel, if you do enjoy it, consider subscribing. So today, to get into it, guys, what we're going to be taking a look at here, I've got the Cardano on the Rocks stake pool kit, and this is going to be for the RockPi 4. So you guys are actually able to start running your own stake pool on a microcomputer. And it's an awesome project. That's what I'm going to be working on here. As far as getting my stake pool together, I feel like this is a great starting off point. So I wanted to bring you guys along with the journey, taking a look at it here. So I've got the package as well as this right here. This is the case. My brother has a 3D printer and I got him involved. So he was very kind to print this out for me. This is going to be the 3D printed case. Now this does not come included with the kit, so it is something that you would purchase separately. If you do need a 3D print, go ahead and send me a message. I will be happy to help you guys out. I would love to be able to contribute to you guys and your progress in your own stake pools. So go ahead and hit me up if you are interested. This is it's a 3D print. You can use PLA, you can use ABS. In this case, what we did was we annealed the PLA. So what that means is it hardens the PLA. So it's a little bit more heat resistant. And I would also consider using some type of cooling system. I'm going to be hooking up an external fan once we get this up and running. But that's what I got here. So this is the 3D printed case. And this is the kit. So this is what it looks like. Taking a look here, I've already went ahead and removed the seal. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right. And so when you first open it up, this is what it looks like here. You've got a few individually packaged pieces that we're going to be taking a look at here in this video. Right off the bat, so we've got the RockPi 4 board. That's going to be this here. This is going to be the computer that's going to be running the software. So this is pretty awesome. It's really nice that it comes in this protective plastic case here. So we got that. Let's see here. We've got the M2 Extend board. That's what this is here. Guys, I am going to be creating a video series for you guys talking about how to put this all together, configuring it with the software. So be sure to stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. I definitely do think you'll find some value from those videos. So we got that here. Next, what we're taking a look at, I believe that these are some heat sinks. These right here, we got some pads for the external case as well. Guys, we're going to be digging into all this here, so go ahead and stay tuned. This right here, oh, heat sink for the RockPi. Okay, so this is a heat sink. Wow, this thing is massive. Look at that. That's a heat sink. So very big. I really do like how these, they're all coming individually packaged in their own protective bag or case or whatever. We've got a power adapter cable. Very nice. Let's see here. Oh, this came opened. That's not good. All right, let's see here. Oh, we got the LED. Guys, I'm excited about this. This is going to be a really fun project to put together. That's the LED. Okay, let's see here. Okay, it looks like this is the power adapter. Yep, that's the power adapter, so that will plug into the wall. Really nice that it comes with its own specific power adapter. So that's awesome. Okay, that goes there. All right, we've got a few different cables here. I'm assuming this is going to be to connect the boards and the LEDs and all that fun stuff. Okay, nice. Okay, yep, so these are going to be the feet for the 3D printed case. So guys, this kit is, it's all included. It's very nice that you can buy a kit to put this all together. This is the SSD. I went ahead and got the advanced kit. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for the website which I purchased it from. If you guys are interested in buying one for yourselves, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you're just starting out with building your own stake pool. This is a great way to get started. Here we've got some instructions on the Raspberry Pi 4 board. All right, and this is going to be a eMMC module adapter. All right, little piece there. Oh, okay, I see what came out of that little thing here. Oh, wow, okay. All right, so guys, this looks like it's going to connect the LED module. So we're going to need that. I'm thinking that's what came out of this white package here. Okay, so yep, bear with me, guys. All right, so that goes with this. All right, that popped out. I'm going to place that back in and close it up. All right, we're in business. There we go. All right, you guys, we're going to be taking a look at all these different components here. So bear with me. I'm just going to lay it out flat for you guys and just kind of go over what exactly we're looking at here. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and laid out all the contents for this unboxing, and I'm going to be going through just a list of essentially what you can expect with the different configurations that you can purchase. So now on the website, you do have the option to purchase this kit in multiple configurations. What I've went ahead and purchased is the advanced kit. Now, one of the biggest difference between the advanced kit and something like the eco kit or the value kit is that it's going to come with, so this SSD right here. So this is a 256 gigabyte SSD. And what this does is it's going to be used to store the Cardano blockchain. So you could either decide to purchase it with that or without it. That's basically the biggest difference. Now, if you did feel like you just wanted to go with a terabyte SSD, you can do that as well. But this one, for this purpose, is about a 256 gigabyte SSD. So what we're taking a look at here, I've got the contents opened up for you guys as far as what we've got here. So we have the Raspberry Pi 4A. This has got 4 gigabytes of RAM. So very nicely, it comes packaged in a clear plastic container. So this is what we're going to be using. This is the Rock Pi 4 board. Next up, we've got the 16 gigabyte eMMC. So that's going to be this here. I believe that this is going to be memory for the entire configuration. So this little chip, yeah, so this is actually not for connecting the LED. So I'm learning along with you guys. This is going to be 16 gigabytes of eMMC storage. So we've got that, a USB to eMMC adapter. That's going to be this here. This is the module adapter. So we've got that. I really like how all of these packages are labeled. So guys, it makes identifying which parts you have that much easier. Next thing that we have is a fast charge cable. So that's going to be this here. And this is what we're going to be using along with the wall adapter. That's this one here. So these two will work together. That's going to be powering the entire unit. We also have an OLED display. That's going to be this guy. What this is going to do, it's going to allow us to see the display for the stake pool. So whatever details we have as far as node, uptime, operating temperature, whatever is going to be used along with the software is going to be displayed on this here. So that's the display. Next up, we have the LED module. So that's this here. Very nice. It's very nice to see no pins are broken, nothing like that. Everything came very well packaged. We also have a connection cable. That is this here. And a heat sink. This is the heat sink. It's massive. It's just gigantic. So this is what's going to be used to dissipate the heat. I'm sure this thing is going to get pretty toasty. And guys, like I was mentioning to you at the beginning of this video, another thing that we did in order to help dissipate heat was we actually annealed the 3D printed case. So we 3D printed this ourselves. It's a PLA plastic. As far as PLA, a lot of people suggest that you do some type of hardening to the material. That's exactly what we did. So for our purposes, this is going to be great. Really excited about how it turned out. So we have that. That's the 3D printed case. This right here is going to be a diffuser. As far as how this is going to work, it's going to work in conjunction with the LED and the OLED display. This is what's going to be used to display what's present on the screen with the blockchain. So we have that. We have the M2 extension. I believe I showed you guys that. This right here is the M2 extended board, so that's this. Yep, so it's going to be quite beefy, but surprisingly, it's all going to fit inside that 3D printed case. So pretty interesting here. I'm going to be putting a video tutorial for you guys about how to put this all together. This is just going to be the unboxing video. So what I have for you guys here, this is just all the parts and components. Like we were talking about earlier, this is the SSD that I got along with it. And then we just have a few other spare parts here. You can decide to use these or not. It's up to you. We've got this right here. These are just the legs for the 3D printed case. I'm definitely going to be attaching those to the 3D printed case, just so that way there's a little bit of space between the bottom of the case and the floor. So there's a little bit of airflow there. And then this right here is going to be some components to connect the Raspberry Pi boards with the M2 adapter. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. I just wanted to give you an overview of what you can expect with all the different configurations for the Cardano on the Rock stake pool kit. I know it's quite a bit pulled up on the table here, but just a brief overview. Again, I am going to be posting more videos regarding this project, making almost like a series. So if you guys do want to see that type of content, go ahead and subscribe. It's a small thing that you can do. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. All right, until the next video, take care.